Hi guys, I'm here to inspire you to get one step closer with nature. Documenting my travel has made me realize how beautiful and mesmerizing the nature is. I've also realized every living creature plays its own important role in the ecosystem. My journey has taught me a lot about animals, insects, birds, and also their behavior. This made me curious to know more about it. Here's a small video which I want to show you of my journey. We have traveled from Karnataka to all the way to northeast of India. So most of the videos are taken by my friends and I hope this inspires you to know more about nature, more about wildlife, and I hope it motivates you too. Hope you enjoy the video too.